Hey guys, I'm showing you this fountain pump. This is a 3-tier electric with lights. You can use it as a tabletop fountain or a bird bath fountain. This is a 12-watt indoor small water fountain with a water feature for room, home, outdoor, bird feeder, garden or anywhere else. So this comes with this 32.8 feet power cord with this lights. The this is the the waterproof or the weatherproof design. So this adapter will fix in this, and this is a long cable, so you have to fit it well. And then all these assembly parts, these are of plastic, so this all the weatherproof things. And you can also make like different style, like if you want to have a 1 tier or 2 tier or 3 tier, so whatever the way you want to make it, you can do it. So I'm assembling the whole fountain, so it's pretty straightforward. Make sure that pump is attached completely down in the bottom so that this will not move. So this is the manual of all different design. I'm putting in the water and then showing the demo. So this also have this 12 LED RGB light, and the light will light up all the day, so especially night it looks really nice. So this is how this looks. So this will take some time to fill in the water in each tier. Once filled, you will see this design. So here you can see it's a full swing with the nice waterfall from each tier, and the lights are glowing. This is like a 12 LED light, 12 LED lights with this RGB, so all the different shades. It's very nice, almost noiseless design for the pump. I think it can be also fit on any table or the dining table for some decor and the other thing. So this is the 12 LED lights. Here is a whole fountain with all these 3 different tiers. Really nice design.